Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy but yummy peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Here's my dog, Diamond, who just had his 2-year-old birthday. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Butter, peanut butter, and egg should be all at room temperature. Mix sugar with butter first, add peanut butter, then beat until fluffy. Salt, beat to incorporate. Add egg, beat to incorporate. Sift together flour and baking soda. Add to the batter, then beat for a few seconds. Use a spatula to fold and mix well. Add oatmeal and chocolate chips, then mix until they are evenly distributed. Preheat convection oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Line a cookie sheet with parchment paper or silicone mat. Use a tablespoon or a 1 to 1/4 inch cookie scoop to drop rounded dough onto the sheet. Press cookies down slightly to about ½ inch thick. Convection bake at 325 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes or until edge start to brown. Remove cookies from oven and cool for 5 minutes. Transfer cookies to rack to cool completely. The texture of cookies is crumbly but still a bit chewy. So yummy. The easy and yummy peanut butter chocolate chip cookie is now ready to serve. Enjoy!